Start by placing the family. Typically, the 12 inserts type is enough. Adjust width, depth, and height accordingly. For insert 1 and 3, use insert shelf, white. Insert 5 should be insert shelf W clothes rail, white. Then, change insert 12 to insert shoe shelf, white. Everything else should also be empty. For the next part, place another 12 insert wardrobe and adjust width. Remove the left and right side support to avoid collision with other families. Change insert 12 to insert shelf, white. Then insert 7 to insert drawers, 2 drawers. Finally, change insert 11 and 9 into empty. Copy again the first family. Change insert 1 to insert shelf W clothes rail, white. Then replace insert 3 and 5 to empty. Finally, change insert 9 to insert shelf, white. Group the families into one to ensure that they can be moved as one unit. Add clothes and other decorations accordingly.